Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain you the steps required for installing the Unity software. Now, I'm doing this installation on my Windows machine, but the same procedure can be followed by Mac users. So for installing the Unity software, I'll open my browser. Next, inside the search field, I'll type Unity download archive. I'll press enter. Okay. And as you can see, this is the link which I'll be opening, that is unity3d.com/getunity/download/archive. So I'll open the link. Now guys, the reason why we have come to this Unity download archive website is because the Unity software goes through some major and minor updates in every 2 to 3 months. Okay. And if we compare this Unity versions, then the number after the second dot basically represents that the update is minor, and the number after the first dot basically represents that the update is major. Okay, so if we compare Unity versions 2017.1.2 and 2017.1.1, then the update between both these versions is minor, as there is an increase in the number after the second dot and the number after the first dot is constant, that is 1. Okay. But if we compare Unity versions 2017.2.0 with Unity version 2017.1.2, then the update is a major one. As you can see, there is an increment in the number after the first dot. Okay, so in this version, after the first dot, the number is 1, and in this version, after the first dot, the number is 2. Now, since Unity version 2017.2.0 is the latest version of Unity by the time of this recording, so I'll install Unity version 2017.2.0 inside my system. Next, as you can see on the right hand side, we have these two sets of drop down. So this set of drop down is for the Mac users and this set of drop down is for the Windows users. Okay, so if you're using a Mac system, then you'll click on this drop down, and after this you will download this Unity installer file. If you're using a Windows system, then you'll click on this set of drop down and you will download this Unity installer file. Okay. Now, since I'm using a Windows machine, I'll just click on this Unity installer file. And as you can see, the Unity setup file is getting downloaded in my system. Once it is downloaded, I'll copy it on my desktop. So guys, as you can see, I've copied the Unity setup file on my desktop. Okay. And if you look very carefully, the size of this file is 719 KB. Okay. Now guys, for installation of Unity software, you need a good internet connection, because while installing the Unity software, the Unity components will get downloaded inside your system. So for installing the Unity software, I'll double click on this file. After this, I'll click on the next button. Next, I'll accept license agreement, and after this, I'll again click on the next button. Now guys, in this window, as you can see, there are some components which are selected by default. So these are the components which will get downloaded and installed inside Unity. Now, if you have a Mac system and an iOS device like iPhone or an iPad, then you have to check this iOS build support option. So with the help of this iOS build support option, you can build your Unity projects and run them inside an iPhone or an iPad. Okay. On top, we have this Android build support option. And with the help of this Android build support option, we can build a Unity projects and we can run them inside an Android smartphone or an Android tablet. Next, if I scroll down, then as you can see, we have this option of Vuforia augmented reality support. Okay, so I'll check this Vuforia augmented reality support checkbox. And since I've selected this checkbox, okay, so the Vuforia SDK will also get installed inside the Unity software. So after selecting the necessary components, I'll click on the next button, and as you can see, the installation of Unity software has started in my system. And depending on your internet speed, the Unity components will be downloaded. Okay, so it will take around 1 to 2 hours for the Unity components to get downloaded, and once all the components are downloaded, you will be prompted to create your Unity ID. So guys, as you can see, the installation of Unity software is complete, and I will then click on the finish button to open the Unity software. Next, I'll click on the allow access button. Now guys, when you open the Unity software, you'll be brought to this window. So after installing the Unity software, next we need to activate this software. And to activate the Unity software inside your system, you should have a Unity ID. I already have a Unity ID, but let me show you how to create one. So to create a new Unity ID, you have to click on this create one link. And once you click on the create one link, you will be brought to the sign up page where you have to fill in the details for creating your Unity ID. So first you need to enter your email ID. Next you need to set a proper password. After this you need to set a unique username. Then you have to enter your full name, and at the last you have to select your country. Once you fill in all the information, you have to agree to the terms and condition, and then you have to click on this create a Unity ID button. Now after filling the form, next you will get a confirmation email on your email ID, and then you have to click on this confirmation link to confirm your account. Once your account is confirmed, next inside the sign in window, you have to enter the email ID and password which you have used for your Unity account. After this, I'll click on sign in. Next, you will be brought to the license page and you have to select the personal edition, as the personal edition is totally free. I'll then click next. After this, I'll select the last option, that is, I don't use Unity in professional capacity. After selecting the license, next you have to complete the short survey, and after completing the survey, you have to click on OK. And once the software activation is complete, you will get this thank you message. So guys, the Unity software is installed in my system, and I hope it is installed in your system as well. So let's start building our Unity projects.